Imagine a soldier on a quiet night watch. They pull out their phone, snap a quick selfie, and upload it to a social feed. Within minutes, that single, seemingly harmless action pulls down an artillery strike directly onto their position. The front lines of modern conflict have expanded. They no longer end at a geographic border. In 2014, the hashtag #AllEyesOnISIS rapidly aggregated global attention, helping the group recruit 40,000 fighters from over 100 countries. State militaries also participate. Units like U.S. Cyber Command conduct military information support operations, often called MISO, by deploying fake online personas and leveraging micro-targeting algorithms. They feed users content tailored to their prior engagements, trapping them in militarized echo chambers. If you want to understand exactly how these tracking systems operate on a tactical level, subscribe to the global Warwatch network. The psychological manipulation we see on our screens serves a highly lethal purpose. It acts as bait, designed to nudge targets into predictable routines, keep them engaged on devices, and ultimately lure them into a physical kill zone. To bridge the gap between digital activity and physical targeting, modern militaries deploy airborne electronic warfare platforms. These drones launch via catapult and fly over contested terrain, initiating what is known as an electromagnetic snare. A premier example is the Russian RB-341V system, known as the Leer-3. Its primary function is to suppress local commercial cellular towers within a multi-mile radius. With the civilian towers jammed, the drone acts as an IMSI-catcher. It projects a false, high-power network signal, essentially operating as a virtual cell tower. Every smartphone within roughly 4 miles is forced to connect directly to the drone. Once those devices are connected, the system can instantly inject targeted psychological messages, like texts urging surrender, directly into the hands of opposing troops. But the real threat is location data. By running a long-distance path loss algorithm, the Leer-3 system analyzes the received signal strength of each connected phone. It translates that signal degradation into exact physical coordinates, revealing the locations of hidden troop encampments. Western militaries utilize similar cellular hijacking technologies. The National Security Agency operates payloads like the Gilgamish system, and BAE Systems produces the T-Pod, both designed to force local mobile phones to connect and reveal their coordinates. The moment a smartphone handshakes with one of these airborne networks, the user's physical camouflage disappears. The enemy instantly possesses precise targeting coordinates. Those coordinates feed immediately into the military strike process. The U.S. Air Force models this using a 6-step sequence: find, fix, track, target, engage, and assess. By simply communicating on a cell phone, an adversary automatically triggers the find and fix segments of this cycle, providing their exact location to the network. Historically, moving from detection to a physical strike could take hours. Now, advanced machine-to-machine data exchanges route those coordinates from the sensor straight to the shooter, compressing the entire targeting timeline into single-digit minutes. The immediate consequence of this high-speed data transfer is physical destruction, often in the form of an automated artillery barrage or a drone strike raining down on the broadcast location. We saw this dynamic play out recently in the Zaporizhia region of Ukraine. A Russian Leer-3 system was actively adjusting fire and jamming networks when it was detected and subsequently destroyed by an American-made HIMARS rocket launcher. The systems hunting for signals create a massive electronic signature themselves. In order to project a network strong enough to trap smartphones, electronic warfare units become highly visible, targetable beacons on the electromagnetic spectrum. The speed of these automated kill chains guarantees one outcome in a modern conflict. Radiating an unauthorized digital signal will attract a kinetic strike. Military theorists refer to this convergence as warfication. It is an environment where cybersecurity, electromagnetic spectrum management, and physical camouflage merge into a single, unified defensive posture. This table provides examples of social media guidelines for military families. It demonstrates how seemingly innocent behavior, like posting a specific deployment date or listing a base name, provides adversaries with the data points they need to build a targetable profile. This slide details the immediate physical countermeasures required for personnel in the field. The most critical action is disabling GPS and all location-based services on personal devices to prevent them from passively broadcasting geographic data. This diagram illustrates the four-step OPSEC process, with threat analysis at the center. These protocols provide the primary defense against multi-domain targeting, bridging the gap between digital security and physical survival. If you found this breakdown valuable, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to Global Warwatch Network. Let us know your thoughts on the integration of digital tracking in modern conflict down in the comments. Until we adjust our daily habits, the digital footprints generated by the devices sitting in our pockets will remain the most lethal vulnerabilities on the battlefield.